checking that job. 2 years.
Hey, quicker.
591 people. 591 people. That shit right there is crazy, man. Listen, I don't know what day this is in a vlog. First off, man, I'm gonna apologize because I haven't been keeping y'all, you know, up to date with what's been going on. And that's my bad, man. That's my bad. And it's crazy because I do this shit every time. Every video, I feel like I'm always saying the same thing. I'm always apologizing, you know, for not being consistent. And it's like, I don't know, man. I don't know why I do it. But yeah, at the crib, I gotta start my workout for the day. I'm gonna let y'all, you know, y'all gonna get right with me. No shoes, you feel me? Feet dirty. I don't know how niggas walk with no shoes on. That shit hurt. Hold on, let's get right. Hey man, y'all might as well hit these push-ups with me, man. We about to hit off 50. Let's go. Big body. Let's go. What?
Put your ass up.
Sheesh. Low key, I don't even know how many I just did, but huh? Big body. Yeah, come on, I'm too loud. That nigga be yelling every time he on the phone. But show y'all the view real quick. My bad. Let me catch my breath. Wait, first off, how many of y'all just did them push-ups with me, man? Hit 50 straight. I think I did 50. I don't even know. Nigga kept talking to me. But yeah, right now I'm in Miami. Like I said before, I don't know where we are in the vlog. Alright, and that's my bad. Shit. Let me get right. I don't know where we are in the vlog, and that's my bad. But like I said, I feel like I do this all the time. I say this all the time. I just have to make it a priority. I gotta make y'all a priority again, you know. But I'm in Miami with some of my business partners, and y'all know that we're launching something huge. Alright, it's mad bright out here. My eyes are already small, but the sun, this shit is just crazy. But we launching something huge, man. And if you know, you know, you know. And if you don't know, give me a few days and you're gonna find out. You wanna know, click the link in my bio, fill out the application. It's only like 6 questions. I'll call you, we'll get this money together, man. You know, I'm looking for 12 people to really run it up with. But my feet fucking hurt. I don't know how people walk without shoes on, and I'm still over here doing it. And that shit hurt, yo. Damn. Cool vibes, though. But I know a lot of y'all want to know what's going on. You know, I'm getting a lot of y'all messaging me. Y'all want to know the name of the company. You feel me? The new wave that we a part of, the new wave that we starting. And I don't know, man. I don't know if I should say it in this video. I'm probably gonna wait till next video to actually release it. It's a brand new company, and at the end of the day, it's like, understand that when you become a part of it, or if you become a part of it, like, you coming into this is different levels to it. You feel me? So the first level is somebody who's never traded before at all. You know, so you're gonna start at a completely different place than somebody who already knows what trading is, but maybe they just been struggling. You know, but we're in the process of getting everything right to make sure that everybody is making bread. Because that's one of the good things about this company being so new, is that we're literally building this and making this how we wanted our old company to be. You know, we're building this with our own vision, and the CEO, the staff, you know, our leaders, they cool with making changes. You know, so we, like, literally, we're doing this. You know what I mean? We doing this to help y'all make bread, or to help everybody make bread at the end of the day, because that's what's gonna happen. You know, but I'm definitely excited, man. Be on the lookout, you know, for my, y'all know I gotta drop a video. Y'all know I gotta drop you know, the professional video, but instead of it being what is up, it's gonna be what is whatever, you feel me? So that's what we gonna do. You know, when you see that video, go ahead, go ahead and watch it. It's probably gonna be like 5 minutes long. It's 5 to 10 minutes long. And yeah, let me know y'all true feedback, y'all real feedback about it. Yeah, probably gonna be in Miami for like a week, and just gonna be here working, grinding on the phone. Like I said, it's 590 of y'all. I gotta call every single one of y'all back, and I haven't even put a dent in that shit at all. So like, that's another reason why I don't really be uploading like that, because I really be like, this should be taking up a lot of time. So I gotta figure out a way to automate this business as much as possible, so I could still have time to, you know, drop that content that y'all want to see, you know, or drop, you know, the vlog content that I want to put out, and be consistent with it. So yeah, man, that's my life. That's really what's going on with me. How you living, man? How y'all doing? He about to pass me the blicky. I don't know if I should do it on camera, man. I think I'm gonna do it on camera. Kids, don't smoke. I know a lot of y'all probably already smoke. 16, 15-year-olds out here high as hell. I know, I told y'all that I was never gonna wear shit like this again. And look what I'm wearing. It's crazy. But we about to go to,
Did you say, oh, Slice not here?
We about to go to Publix. I was gonna go, you know, and not bring y'all, but I'm like, come on, son, I gotta get back on it. Feel me? I can't leave y'all hanging, man. So about to go to Publix to get some food. Niggas just tried to take us to Bonefish Grill as soon as I walked in there, cause I got a beater on. You feel me? We in the yams, man. It's hot out here, you know. But I felt stupid as soon as I walked in. I felt like niggas was looking at me because I got a wife beater on. You feel me? It's like a low-key upscale spot. They ain't even have prices on the menu. I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't be recording stuff like this because I feel like it's boring. You know, like I feel like, or put it like this, I feel like it's boring to y'all. You know, like I don't know, y'all gotta let me know, man. Like, it's real, because at the end of the day, this is the point of a vlog, you feel me, to like vlog your actual life. So I know some niggas like to watch this, but I know y'all gotta let me know, man. Do y'all like really be watching this is like the filler space, low key, of like my videos. So y'all let me know, man. Are these shits boring, you know, when I show the in-betweens, or it's like, yo bro, that's a vlog, y'all want to see it? I don't know, y'all gotta let me know, man. I always be thinking about this different stuff when it comes to the channel, how I can make it better, you know, how I can get some more views. And yeah, sheesh, damn homie, my man's don't even got a head, bro. What? I don't know, I can think of some kind of thumbnail. That's crazy. It's crazy how we just like walk by like dead animals, like just step over them. Imagine if you saw people like that, just dead niggas. That shit'd be wild. But I got Panera bread. Can't really see the entrance, but I got some Panera bread, man. I got 2 chicken avocado melts, and then I got some broccoli soup. Switching it up, man. Honestly, I never eat that Panera bread. I think I had that chicken avocado joint one time, and I was like, damn, this is straight. So I just got 2 of them. Broccoli cheddar soup. I don't even think I ever had that, but I used to know somebody, you know, who used to always get it. So I'm like, fuck it, I might as well try it, you know. But that's what I'm doing. And I'm hungry, yo. It's like 6 o'clock. Niggas ain't eat all day. Like, Ramadan is over, B. It's over, B. You can eat. Hey, nigga, I got regular clothes on today. I told y'all. I told y'all, niggas.
I told y'all niggas. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all niggas coming home today.
I gotta work on my potty mouth. I don't know what it is. Huh? So I don't know. They got the Jamaican joint, island things, and then the licking. We're gonna see what's popping. fuck with this. I don't know what they got, but I'm gonna get this one.
Never a fucking team. That was just a group of people.
You said what?
This was never a team. That was just a group of people.
We looking for right now. Yeah. Since nobody else gonna say nothing. Y'all let me know. What should I get? I'm thinking I ain't really a seafood person at all. So the lobster, that's dead. Tilapia, that's dead. The Jamaican spot might be valid though, because I love my platanos. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Jamaican spot.
Let's go check that motherfucker out.
Yeah, that ain't gonna hit before.
Yeah, curry.
I need my beef patty, man. They got the beef patties.
I ain't had oxtail in so long. I'm like,
see, I'm gonna just stick with the jerk chicken. You feel me? Got the mac and cheese.
I think I'm gonna get some oxtail.
Yeah. I just got like 3 times more hungry.
I don't sign up fillers.
No bozos,
I know niggas
man.
Be wanting fillers. Niggas be just thirsty to have niggas on their
Facts.
team. But I'm not with none of that. Like, I only want leaders. I want low maintenance, high performance.
Facts.
Low maintenance, high performance. I don't work with bozos. I don't work with scrubs. I don't work with lazy people. You gotta be a hitter. You gotta be coachable. You feel me? You gotta have some type of bread already, or you gotta have the mindset to keep going. Like, you can't just like, I got a job.
Facts.
Like niggas need like.
It's that hustle. Like, you can't teach that hustle.
Yeah.
You can't teach it.
Like if you fuck with a boo, like if I could run with you, if I could work with you, I'll work with you. But if not, like I'm not gonna waste your money. You're not gonna sign up with me. Sign up with somebody else. Sign up with somebody on my team.
Jerk salmon?
Jerk
I don't think I've even heard of jerk
curry
salmon.
Who this one? Who was on today? Who buying food today, man?
Shit.
Tablet man.
Alright, so look, I'm always buying the food, man. So what we could do is we could do Russian roulette with the card. We could do Russian roulette with the card right now. Everybody take their card off, she can pick.
Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So I'm eating my beef patty right now.
Pause.
You feel me?
Pause.
Super pause. Man, that ain't gay though. I'm eating my beef patty.
That's tight, pause. Matter of fact, I'm about to go get some pause.
Damn, she rolled up.
But I got the curry chicken. You feel me? Shorty at the register like me too.
Like me.
Think so?
For sure.
I'm gonna go in there and get her number.
I was gonna ask for IG, but I was like,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause I mean, she not really all that, honestly.
oh no, she's not all nothing.
Yeah, but I say
But
she's
it was
like, it was the principle of it. Yeah, it really was. It's the principle of it. Like, you can't look like that and me not do it. Like, the fuck? I got to at this point. But I'm busting down the beef patty. Yeah. This right here remind me of New York, man. Up in Rochester, like going to the store, the corner store, getting a beef patty for $1. You straight. You straight. Oh, in my beard. But yeah, man, I'm hungry. This is the first thing I done ate all day. But that's like the life we be living. Niggas don't really be eating till like 7. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's all niggas doing.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. And now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting